guys, we're in San Francisco today and we're going into the city where you'll see all sorts of stuff, including the windiest street in the world. And it's the streets that I'm here to paint today. Well, I'm not really in San Francisco, I'm actually in my studio in New Zealand, so I'll be working from photos. Now the photos that I got while I was over there of the streets weren't that great. They were taken out of the side window of the car as we're driving along. And what I was most interested in photographing was the really quaint old cable cars there on the streets. But this is the best photo that I managed to get of a cable car, which is not that helpful. So what I did was Googled an image of a cable car and used that along with one of the photos that I took of the streets, combined the two together, and here's the finished painting. So you can see the painting is really quite different from the photo, and that's largely because I worked from a black and white version of the photograph. So in this lesson you'll learn the entire process from design to drawing to block in, how to paint a glowing sky, and how to add those all-important finishing details. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.